Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing review for BOSCH 13 place settings dishwasher. It's a silver inox model of SMS66GI01I BOSCH dishwasher. So to start with, the dishwasher is of same size as our washing machine. It will need same water and electricity input as we need for washing machine. So in this particular model we have these different modes specially designed for Indian cooking. This is on off control for dishwasher. This is intensive kadai mode, specially used for highly soiled or burnt utensils or the ones which have dried off remnants. So this can be used for kadai which is heavily soiled with masalas or heavily soiled milk pots, etc. This one washes at 70 degrees Celsius temperature. I've not used this mode till now as it was not required. This one takes around 1.5 hours of time. There are these options along with modes we use. So Vario Eco mode is basically used to save your electricity consumption. It increases the time, so you can see the time is increased by 1 hour here. We can use Vario Eco mode with any of the modes except pre-rinse. Then we have this half load option here. In case you have less utensils, we can choose this option along with selected program. It reduces wash time slightly. Then there is extra dry option which can be used to immediately dry the utensils after wash, but it's not required. If you leave utensils for some time in dishwasher, the water will evaporate due to heat. The next program is Express Sparkle. This one washes at 65 degrees Celsius and can be used for normally soiled mixed load of utensils. It takes around 1 hour, so this particular mode I have been using daily. Medium soiled milk pot and kadais are cleaned very well in this mode. Next one is auto program. It is sensor controlled mode for lightly to normally soiled dishes. You can use mixed load of utensils. It washes at 45 to 65 degrees Celsius. This is Eco program. It washes at 50 degrees Celsius and can be used for normally soiled dishes in a mixed load with low energy consumption, but takes more time compared to Express Sparkle program. Next program is Quick mode. It takes 29 minutes and can be used for lightly soiled dishes without drying. It washes at 45 degrees Celsius and can be used for temperature sensitive utensils. So first day I used this mode. At this one required shortest time, but this one won't clean even lightly soiled milk pots, so better to use only for lightly soiled dishes, bowls and glasses. Next one is pre-rinse program. This mode will rinse the dishes with cold water and does not clean them but only rinse. So these are the different programs which can be used in combination with other options. There are indicators on panel. Check water indicator is when water supply is low or there is no water. This is the refill salt indicator, and the next one is refill rinse aid indicator. Salt is not required when using tablets. Also rinse aid is optional. Then start in hour. This control is to set the timer to delay the operation of dishwasher. This one is the start button. Once this is pressed, you cannot change the program. So in case you want to reset the program, you need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Then you can change the program. When you open the dishwasher door, you can see a quick reference to all the programs on top of the door. It has short description along with temperature for each program and also has information for each option and other control buttons. So this comes handy while using the dishwasher on day-to-day basis. Now I'll show you interiors of the dishwasher. So this compartment is for detergent or tablet. You need to close it like this after filling. To open it, you need to press here. Then this is for rinse aid. There are markings on detergent dispenser. You can fill it till 15 for half load and till 25 for full load. This is the bottom basket for utensils. Heavily soiled utensils should be placed in bottom basket. You can place pots and kadais in this basket. We have folding spikes here which can be used as required in case of more dishes. Then this is the compartment for dishwasher salt, which can be filled if you are using dishwasher detergent. This is the bottom spray arm for water. This is the filter which needs to be cleaned every week. Once you place the utensils, you need to rotate the spray arm while closing the basket to make sure spray arm is not getting stuck due to utensils. Then this one is top basket for utensils. This one also has folding spikes. You can use according to your load. This basket can be used for cups, bowls, spoons, glasses and small plates. This platform is to keep knives, but I am using it for small spoons and forks. Then this is the bottom spray arm. You need to check this one as well after loading the basket to make sure it is not getting stuck. You can adjust the position of top basket. Right now it is top rack. We get this cutlery basket along with the dishwasher for small spoons and forks. You can place this basket in bottom basket, but I'm not using it as it occupies the space. So instead I place the spoons in top basket here. I purchased this combo of dishwasher salt, detergent and rinse aid by Fortune. As told earlier, salt is required if you are using detergent. Also, rinse aid is optional but gives shine to cleaned utensils. This is the pack of Finish Powerball tablets for dishwasher. These are all-in-one tablets, so you don't need salt and rinse aid if using this one. I used these for initial few days until we purchased Fortune combo. Do not use the tablets if you have already loaded salt to the dishwasher. This will leave white residue on your washed dishes. Tablets are costly as compared to detergent, but they are mess free. Now we'll show you one load. I have filled detergent here. Closing this one. So this is the top basket. I've loaded with cups, glasses. I don't have any small plates in today's load. I've placed tea filters here and spoons and forks are placed on the platform. And these ones can be adjusted as per need. Oops, it got stuck in the fork. Then since there was no space in bottom basket, I have placed this cooker pan in this rack. Before closing, we'll check if the spray arm is getting obstructed. This is the bottom basket. I have placed dishes and dinner plates along with milk pot, saucepan, etc. All the utensils should be placed upside down. Close the basket and check the top spray arm. It will be obstructed in case you have big plates or pots. Bottom spray arm also needs to be checked. Now close the door. Turn on the dishwasher and select the desired program. Once you select, click on the start button. So this is going to take 1 hour now. So you cannot wash iron, wooden, aluminium, copper, silver utensils in the dishwasher as it may be discolored. Even coated aluminium utensils should not be washed. Also avoid low quality plastic which is not heat resistant. Now the wash cycle is completed, so let's open the dishwasher. I left utensils in dishwasher for around 10 to 15 minutes after the cycle was completed, so they are mostly dried. Just check out how clean and shiny they are. So this particular plate, it was cleaned very nicely in the dishwasher. If you see, the edges and everything is cleaned very well. You can see this copper bottom pan has turned little whitish, so that's why they suggest not to wash them in the dishwasher. Check out these ones. So I feel dishwasher does better job than you can. It can clean the parts where you cannot reach with scrubber, like in this cup. If you check the joint between the handle and cup, it looks so clean. I've been using these utensils from more than 9 years now, and over the period of time it will form black residue in the difficult to reach areas like corners, edges and slots, but with dishwasher it comes out very clean. Even the small designs, then graters, slotted spoons, tea filters, everything is sparkling clean. So if we talk about pros of this dishwasher, it is suitable for Indian cooking and washes everything sparkling clean. Plus it washes with hot water, so cleaned hygienically than manual washing. Also cleans difficult to reach areas of utensils and also saves water as compared to manual washing. Now talking about cons, it cannot wash few type of utensils like aluminium, wooden, iron, copper, tin, silver, etc. It can accommodate only few pots and pans. So if you have multiple pans and pots in a single load, it might not fit in the dishwasher. So it's good for family of 3 to 4 members where you have medium size 2 to 3 pots per load. Also it cannot accommodate bigger plates, so if you have big plates you might need to purchase small plates that fit the dishwasher. So what is the final verdict? This dishwasher is best for small families where all the utensils could be accommodated in single load. It may not be feasible if you have very small load of utensils. In case you don't have house help or not able to wash utensils manually either because of health issues or due to old age, this is the best appliance you must have. So overall, I feel this is the fair deal and you should go for it. I hope you find this review helpful. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.